Hello everyone, I'm going to share about Angular Signal. Angular Signal basically the latest feature of Angular 17. Let's explain about what is the Angular Signal and what is the use case of this. What are the signal? A signal is a wrapper around a value that notify interested consumer when that value change. Signal can contain any value, from simple primitive to complex data structure. You read a signal value by calling its getter functions, which allow Angular to track where a signal is used. Signals may be either writable or readable. See, here is the writable syntax that we are using, and see, here is the constant count the signal 0. Signal where the value define the 0 at the first time, and where signal are getter function calling them read their value. So here we are reading the value of the signal constant, and to change the value of the writable signal using the set method directly. Let's see the example how to use and what is the output of this. Let's here is I have already created a project in Angular 17. This is the project architecture. See, here is the component app component class. See, here is standalone and import route outlet. Import here the component that outlet here. Now come to the signal. See, count signal. Now I am using the signal default 0. See, here is the signal imported automatically. Now I am going to create the constructor of this class. See, going to console.log this is count plus this.count. The value signal value will be print here. See here, this is the count value is the 0. Now this is the default value that we have in this. Now we can set the value. Now we can change the signal value using the set method. See, is the this.count.set. Therefore I want to set the value 0 to 1. Now console.log this is the count with set this dot count. Now you can see the result. The first one is the result that is the default. Now we have used the set method. We have assigned the value 1. Now the signal value changed from 0 to 1. See, here is the 0. Come to the other points. You can also use an update method to let's create the increment by using the update. Now come on the third point. Default value set 0 to 3 directly come to increment value. Let's this dot count dot update value, suppose value x time to x plus I want to increment of 2. Now console.log this is update this.count. Now you can see the result. First one the 0 and second is the 1. Now value, the signal value default is the 0 and we have set the value 0 to 1. The result is the 1. Now we have updated the increment up to, you can see the value of 1 plus 2 equal to 3. The value updates equal to 3. Now come to the computed signal. You can write also the computed signal. See here. Now I'm written. See here. Now you can import the dependency of this. See here, the dependency is imported. Also import this one. See the signal is already here. So now click on the computed. So see this dot count value. Now come to the console.log value of count this.count. Let's run. The value is 0 because the signal's value is 0. We have declared the signal as an integer number value. Now come to the double value. The value will be the double ones. Let's write the console.log for the double. This.count double. Now I have initialized the value, signal value from 0 to 1. The result, count result will be the 1 and the value of double count will be the 1 multiplied by 2 equal to 2. So the result will be the 1 and 2. See, the value of the count is 1 and double. The value of the double count is the 2. Once we multiply this initial, set the initial signal value 2, then value count value will be 2 and the computed double value will be the 4. See here the double of this. This is the basically the computed signals that are used. I hope you understand about the signal and how to use the signals, how to declare the default, and how to use the set. You can directly update the value and also create the increment of this. So I hope you got about the signals in Angular 17. Please ask the question in the comment box if you have any. I will try to reply on the same. Also, I will share in the comment box for this documentation that I have prepared for you. So please open and explore in detail. Thank you. Thanks for watching it.